My name is Nick Leister, and I'm a member of the SOLIDWORKS training team. In this video, I will show you how the 3DEXPERIENCE platform integrates with SOLIDWORKS to organize and store data, view designs, and open applications such as SOLIDWORKS. This video documents the platform setup featured in the multi-video series Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS. Let's get started. I'll start by logging in to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. When you log in for the first time, a Welcome Tour pop-up appears, which I will close. There are many ways to work in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, but dashboards offer the ideal solution for SOLIDWORKS users. The top of the page indicates my current dashboard, which came pre-configured with the tabs shown here. The three lines at the top provide access to the dashboard list, where I can switch between existing dashboards or create new ones. I'll keep my current dashboard selected and click Close. The Welcome tab contains all the information necessary for a new user to get started, organized into 3 columns and curated for you based on your roles. The first column allows you to open and install apps. The second column contains videos to help you get started. And the third column provides access to public user communities. The Content tab allows you to access apps to view, store, and organize your data. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform allows you to store data in the cloud through an internet-connected database. You store your designs in a collaborative space, and the 3D Space app allows you to control your collaborative spaces. A collaborative space can be configured for sharing or for individual use. Here, I have access to 4 collaborative spaces. In this video, I'll store my designs in the collaborative space named Nicholas Workspace. Bookmarks provide a method for organizing your data within a collaborative space and operate in a way that's similar to a folder structure. Here, I have a bookmark that I created earlier. I'll expand Power Tools and click Jigsaw, which displays a jig design. I'll use the 3D Play app to preview the jig using drag and drop. From here, I can manipulate the model's view, and when I'm done, I'll click Close. Now, I'll create a bookmark to organize the needle nose pliers I'll design. To do this, I'll browse to the source bookmark. I'll click New Bookmark, enter Hand Tools under Title, and click Create. The Hand Tools bookmark is empty, so I'll add another bookmark under it, specifically for the pliers I'll design. With the Hand Tools bookmark active, I'll click New Bookmark, enter Pliers under Title, and click Create. The bookmark structure is complete. The Tasks tab contains the Collaborative Task app, a Kanban-style board that integrates with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform's project management apps. The Communities tab contains the 3D Swim app for social collaboration. I'm ready to start designing in SOLIDWORKS, so I'll browse to the Welcome tab and click Open under Design with SOLIDWORKS to launch a 3DEXPERIENCE-enabled instance of SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, watch the video, Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS, your first part, to learn how to model a pair of needle nose pliers with SOLIDWORKS, and visit the site below to access the 3DEXPERIENCE platform user playlist to discover how to configure the 3DEXPERIENCE platform further.